Travel today, sustain tomorrow. We travel to make a difference. To people, to places, to our planet. Thanks to JoinTrafalgar.
We support people. We support artisans, farmers, families, and invest in micro-enterprises.
We help sustain livelihoods through connecting travellers to many of our 103 exclusive Be My Guest experiences across the world. Guests taste locally sourced food, meet our hosts, and learn all about their lives and heritage.
In total, we support locals across 71 countries and help to keep generations-old traditions alive. We partner with Me to We volunteer trips in India and Kenya, where we've helped build 3 schools and 2 water wells. Supporting people through our local and in-house initiatives is another part of what we do.
We get hands-on through experiences that give back for our guests and teams at an individual level.
It's helping our people help others, and we give a total of 24,000 paid hours a year so that our people can individually make a difference. Building, planting, beach cleaning and more. We invest in places. We're committed to protecting, maintaining and showcasing the diversity of cultures and traditions across the 7 continents we travel to. We spread tourism to local townships and communities so our travellers can support local businesses. Almost half of our trips in Europe and Britain spread tourism into the off-peak season, alleviating pressure on destinations and spreading the benefits of travel at any time of year. We preserve historic colonial homes and buildings of cultural significance, with 20% of our itineraries including at least one Stays With Stories experience. And we support 5 projects that sustain the rich biodiversity and wildlife of places we visit for future generations to see. We care for the planet.
We have reforested 100 acres of devastated lands across California and Tanzania with our partner One Tree Planted.
Thanks to every guest who travels paper-free, we plant a tree in their honour.
We travel by coach, and thanks to having the newest and greenest fleet, they produce 85% less CO2 per passenger kilometre than car and air travel, and 40% less than rail. We have 13 initiatives worldwide, focusing on conserving the environment and provide funding for long-term maintenance of iconic natural landmarks. And on 63% of our itineraries, we visit at least one World Heritage Site. All of our offices are single-use plastic-free, and all of our guest gifts are recyclable or sustainable. Our teams do community cleanups each year from lakes in Switzerland, beaches in Australia, and forests in North America.
And we're only at the beginning of our journey. Powered by the TreadRight Foundation, our mission is clear: to make travel matter.
Sustainability is what we do. Our people, places and planet is why we do it. Choose to travel and make a difference. Join us.
Join Trafalgar.